Hi guys, this is Maria Juana Channel ko. Ito yung mga kadahon. And we're here to unbox our reward from being a VIP2 from DFA. Of course, we received a cash of 5,000 pesos. And of course, our item reward, our microwave oven. So, let's unbox this. And we're so excited! Na-unbox na natin ang ating reward from DFA. So guys, this is it. Ito na yung ating microwave oven na bigay ni DFA as a reward for our VIP2 upgrade. So it's a sharp microwave oven. And it's amazing! Thank you DFA! Thank you Ma'am Lynn! And thank you for the opportunity. Thank you sa ating mga members, so very cooperative. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video, and if you like to engage in DFA, please do message me or DM me para sa marami pang updates and more of infos from DFA. So thank you guys for watching. Bye!